to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Cricut DIY work. My cousin is having a baby shower and she asked if I could do a few things on my Cricut to help her decorate for her party. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made a cake topper, a please sign the pumpkin, a vote for the costume contest, and a diaper raffle, and DIY bingo for kids. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Her baby shower is going to be near Halloween, and so this is a very fall and Halloween themed craft. She also is having her nursery theme as foxes, so I chose to incorporate the foxes within the crafting as well. This is a very simple and basic project on the Cricut, and it can do so much more. And if you'd like to see some more projects in detail and really more of a DIY of how to create these Cricut items, then let me know in the comments below. It means so much if you would subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. We're gonna need some items, so let's go ahead and go to Michael's and see what we can find. When I go to Michael's, I like to look in the Cricut section to see if there's anything else that I need for the project and to see if there's anything on sale that I might need for future projects as well. The first thing we're going to be making is the cake topper. I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it would be really cute to try and recreate it. So let's open up your Cricut Maker and we're going to look for some Halloween and festive things to just get an idea of what we're looking for. Then I'm going to type in specifics, baby, A, and brewing. And I found this really cute witch that I thought would be perfect for the top of this cake topper. And now I'm just changing the font and rearranging to see if I can make it look similar to the Pinterest picture. It's important to weld all of your project together. That way it cuts everything as one piece and not individually. Time to open up the Cricut, and we're gonna put our black paper down on our mat and load it into the Cricut. And now the Cricut does its magic. Next, you're going to weld out the image. I'm going to also just glue it down on some green paper. Let's see the final product. Next thing, we're going to be making a diaper raffle sign and a costume contest sign. We're just going to do the same process one more time, except this time I am making a square to be the size of the paper and using that as my size guideline. It's important to select draw instead of cut, so the Cricut will draw the words instead of cut them out. I wanted to find a cute little baby and pumpkin and also a cute fox for the next one as well. It's important to select the different colors too, so that the Cricut will stop on each of the colors and draw the colors the way that you would like them. I just think it's really cool to see your design come to life when the Cricut draws it out. Background and I weld the images together so that they'll stay in this position. Time to continue and make the project. I'm first using my black tip pen for most of the words. And then I'm using my light green pen. Next, I'm taking my Fox paper background and using it to cut and lay all of the designs on. You can have the Cricut cut these out, but this paper that I bought was not designed specifically for the Cricut, so it was a little bit too thick for my blade, and so I thought I would just cut it out. It's pretty easy to do that anyways. Next thing we're making is a candy guessing game and a guest book alternative. She had this really cute idea of signing a pumpkin instead of a guest book, a little ceramic pumpkin that she bought. And she also is having a guessing game where she's gonna have some pumpkins laid out in a bottle to have everyone guess how many candies are in the jar. And I'm just gonna glue and cut them out, and let's see how these turned out. Now we're gonna do a DIY bingo card for kids. You do not need a Cricut for this, but you can use a Cricut if you would like to. So I have 2 pieces of paper, green and blue, and I'm gonna cut them in half. And now I'm going to write bingo on the top of each one and draw lines for each of the sections. It's best to use a ruler so that the lines are straight. You wanna have a free space in the middle, then you wanna start sticking down your stickers. It's important each sticker has a matching one that can be selected out of the jar so that everyone has an equal chance of having one selected. You also want to place your stickers in different places and random spots on the paper so that everyone's stickers are in a different place. Then I labeled each one so that it was really specific when pulling them out of the jar. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. I hope to see you in another video real soon. Thanks, bye!